Sailing through the neurons in the middle of the night. like lanterns in a hall. Shadows of Leviathan swimming past the wall. Down in the deep where the water breathes, tangle in my mind in the emerald leaves. The pressure is a blanket, heavy and grand. I'm walking on the bottom of the sunken land. A mermaid made of mercury whispers in the dark, guiding the torpedo of a velvet-coated shark. The ruins of a city are sleeping in the sand, waiting for the turning of the hourglass hand. Down in the deep where the water breathes, tangle in my mind in the emerald leaves. The pressure is a blanket, heavy and grand. I'm walking on the bottom of the sunken land. The oxygen is running low, but I don't wanna leave. There's magic in the water that you wouldn't believe. The surface is a memory I left upon the shore. Down in the deep where the water breathes, tangle in my mind in the emerald leaves. The pressure is a blanket, heavy and grand. I'm walking on the bottom of the sunken land, sinking down. Don't wake me up. only smiled a wicked smile and stepped into the light. The background in the mirror isn't looking like my room. It's filled with melting candles and a heavy, sweet perfume. He knocked upon the barrier and asked to come inside. The world you live is narrow, the reflection softly cried. But now I'm trapped inside the glass, and he is out there. I watch him wear my clothing, and I watch him live my life, while I am trapped forever in this dimension of the night. 7 years of bad luck, or eternity in the glass.